How to check browsing history on a Wi-Fi router. So if you want to check the browsing history on a Wi-Fi router, then what you need to do is just go with your Windows search and open up your settings. Once you're under your settings, now you just need to simply go with network settings, which is under network and internet, and then Wi-Fi. And here you need to go with view hardware and connection properties or hardware properties. Simply click on it. And here, if you're using Ethernet, then what you need to do is just simply copy the gateway address. So you will have an option of default gateway. You just need to simply go with default gateway, and on the right side of default gateway, you will have a digit or a link. You just need to simply copy it. Once you copy the gateway address, you just need to simply go with a new tab. Under your new tab, you need to go and paste the address that you've just copied on the search. And after that, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter your username and password of your Wi-Fi and then go with login and log in to your Wi-Fi router. After logging in, on the bottom left, you will have the system option. Under system, or under the sub menu of the system, you will have the log menu. You just need to simply click on log, and after that you will find the list of your browsing history. That's how you can check your browsing history on a Wi-Fi router. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.